Shortly, Captain Felton Scott. The building here all braced up. This is our first municipal council chambers. Look at the cracks in the building. It's quite badly damaged really, but they're called mothballing it for the time being, keeping it watertight until restoration. This statue's looking good. He fell, like two other statues, and repaired and placed back onto his plinth again. Now he is he was William Morrison. He was one of the superintendents of the city before the government was. Watch the game. There's a stop just up here, which is handy. You don't have to be a member. It's an option. Nice restaurant there. And this stop is close to Victoria Street, where there is all the bars and restaurants along to the left on 2 blocks of Victoria Street. Oh yeah, there's stop 17 just up here a little bit. And this is where you will find lots of different eateries, of course, bars, cafes, and gift shop up here. If you take your ticket into the gift shop, you get a discount. So this is stop 17. Short stop here. We've got some folks coming on the tram here. Now I'm coming. Cathedral Junction. And of course there's convenience stores, restaurants here. Where if you look around from the left to straight ahead to that side of the river, all new buildings. All the others had to be demolished. In fact, the central city, all this area here was cordoned off for a number of years.